A young man eats almonds, digestion begins right in the mouth. Enzymes start breaking down proteins and healthy fats.
As they move down, powerful nutrients like protein, vitamin B3, magnesium, and good fats prepare to fuel your body.
In the stomach, peanuts support muscle growth, control hunger, and balance acid levels, keeping your energy steady and strong.
From the inside out, almonds create harmony, fueling every organ with life, strength, and balance.
Muscle fibers tightening and skin cells regenerating with smooth hydration. Peanut protein.
From heart to brain, from muscle to skin hardening, peanuts power everything.